Oh, hello! Welcome to Nick's Cooking Show. Here you are. Here I am. Today, I'm going to show you my signature dish. Everyone loves it. Chili cheese fries. If you don't love it, fuck you! You know what I'm saying? So, most people don't know the secret to chili cheese fries, but I'm going to disclose that information for you, my fans, my followers, today, in today's video. So stay tuned for that one. Let me tell you, you guys are going to be in for a treat. I'm going to be in for a treat because I'm fucking starving. Here we go. Let's dig in. Today, I'm working, it's kind of like that chop show. I'm working on a little bit of a challenge because the girlfriend picked up the ingredients. So, I don't really know what I have, but I'll tell you how I would make it. Not really how I would like to make this show, but you do with what you got. That's the way. That's the way. So, fries. I believe she got the correct fries. Let's check. She did not. But they will work. Now normally I like steak fries or the real thin fries or the twirly fries. She got crinkle cut, which will work. Don't get me wrong, any fry is a fry. So, you know, it'll work. It'll work, let me tell you. So, well, the first step, cook your fries. Get yourself a nice pan. Lay them out nice and even. Cook the shit out of them. Okay, so this is my pan. This is an aged pan. It makes the best fries. What you want to do, you want to get a pan and you put your fries on there. Now, me, I like leftover chili cheese fries. Ah, son of a gun. I like leftover chili cheese fries, so I guess. There it is. I like leftover chili cheese fries, so I'll cook the whole fucking bag, you know. What was I gonna say? Shit. Okay, so I said before I was gonna use 2 pans because you want to have a nice thin layer. That's what you should do. I'm not gonna do that because I cannot find another pan, and I don't want to wash another pan even if I do find a pan. So now it probably says preheat to 425. Yep, it does. So I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna preheat it, but I'm gonna heat it. So I'm gonna heat it to 400 because my stove gets crazy fucking hot. But I'm just gonna throw that shit in there. The preheat shit, you don't want to preheat shit. Who the fuck preheat shit? Come on now, have a little respect for yourself. Just fucking cook the shit, god damn it. Just get it done with. Nobody's got time to preheat, deheat, skeet, whatever the rappers say nowadays, the cool kids, right, Smush? Just throw it in the oven. Now, okay, let's talk about cheese. Where's the fucking cheese? You motherfucking fridge, dude! Get out of fucking town! Turn the fucking... Okay, so I got mild cheddar. Wisconsin sharp cheddar. This Westfield sharp cheddar. So, you obviously want cheddar cheese. You can use any cheese you want. Now, pepper jack, that's a good one. You don't want to use any cheese, never mind. Pepper jack or cheddar. That's it on your chili cheese fries. Okay, mozzarella. If you're doing like a noodle chicken type thing, yes, with chili, but not mozzarella. I don't know about that. Maybe if you're in a pinch, but cheddar's the ticket. Okay. So while that is cooking, I'm going to disclose to you fellers and fellies what the secret to chili cheese fries is. Now, Pace chili. Let me tell you a little story. Pace, okay, used to make hot, spicy Pace chili. Now, that was the epitome of chilies to put on your cheese fries. Now, for some godforsaken reason, maybe Jesus is just fucking with everyone, or just maybe me, I don't know. That is not available anymore, okay? I don't know. I can't explain it. I cannot explain it. But it's gone. It's gone. Never to return. Maybe someday it will return, but it's not here now. And for that reason, we have to substitute things and change things around. And that's how I came up with this recipe. Now it goes like this. It's hot Hormel chili with the beans. Okay? And you're going to take, now I don't know what size bags you're going to get, but you cook 1 can of that, and here's the kicker, you fuckers ready for this? Hot dog sauce. I said it. Hot dog sauce. You mix the hot dog sauce with the Hormel hot spicy chili. Your chili cheese fries are going to be, they were down here, they're going to be up here. They're going to be off the camera. They're so goddamn good. You put this Hormel chili on by itself, you're not going to have, it's not going to be good. It's going to be good, but it's not going to be that good. It's going to be mediocre at worst. Worst, best, worst, doesn't matter what the fuck you want to say. It ain't going to be what it could be when you put the motherfucking hot dog sauce on that shit, dude. Unbelievable. Hot dog sauce? I've never even heard of it until I tried it. I seen it. I was walking down Walmart, if you can believe fucking Walmart, I think it was Walmart, wait a minute, mirrors. Walking down the aisle and I say, what is this? Hot dog sauce? I gotta try that shit. I mixed it in. Oh shit! It adds so much fucking juice and flavors and extra shit. Your fries ain't dry, your sauce ain't sauce, your whole thing is just something else, dude. It's the key. It's the key. It's the key. King, king. Get it done. Now let me mention before I get too far, I don't have the hot dog sauce here today. The girlfriend did not pick it up. So, unfortunately I cannot show you the whole process, but I'm sure you can figure it out. You mix in I told you before, you mix it in. Just mix it in! Hot dog. Okay, so the shit's in the oven. I will check back with you boys in a little bit. 15-20 minutes. I don't know what the bag says. Probably 15-20 minutes. Maybe 18-24 minutes. We'll see. They'll be done. Okay, we're back in action, everyone. Okay. Fries have been in for, I don't know, probably 20 minutes. Maybe a little more. Probably a lot more, actually. But they're good to go. I taste tested one. Fan-fucking-tastic. So, whatever she bought, pretty damn good. I'm going to show you a close-up here in a second, boys. Don't you worry. Here they are. Wow, 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 wow. Look at this shit. Now, this is what we're working with. Okay, crinkle fries. Like I said before, I'm not a big fan of crinkle fries. I like the thin ones. Or the steak ones. Holy shit. Now, what you want to do, you got all your fries in your pan. You take, I'm going to take this little ass bag of cheese. Little bag. Whatever we got left. Sprinkle that shit right on there, right on there. There we go. Now we got more cheese, don't you worries. This is the cheese that she bought specifically for this meal. The sharp cheddar. We're gonna throw that on there. What was that noise? Okay, now that for a normal person, that's a lot of fucking cheese. For me, it ain't enough. I'm gonna put some more in there. A little mild cheddar. Me, I like my cheese. And if I'm gonna eat cheese, I'm gonna eat it. If I'm gonna eat it, my dog's gonna eat it. We're gonna clog these arteries, and we're gonna have a good time doing it. So, we got the cheese on the pan. Let me show you the close-up. There it is. Oh, wow, it's fucking steaming. There it is. So we're going to throw that back in the oven. Makes sense to me. I'm sure it makes sense to you. If you can use a computer, you can use an oven. If you can use an oven, you can make chili cheese fries. So, the cheese is on, and it's going to take like 5 minutes, 6 minutes, 7 minutes, 8 minutes tops. And the cheese will be melted. Then we're going to put it in the fucking bowl. I'm going to show you the rest. You're going to see it. You're going to see it right here, right now. These fries are done. We got this thing fucking cranking at like 600 degrees. That's the cheese. Woo! Oh, ouch it! No, that's right. Oh, shit. Well, I'll deal with that later. Here it is, here it is. Wow. Scoop it all in there. Fucking little segments at a time so the cheese gets evenly distributed. You want to make sure the cheese makes it to the bottom layer. Oh! Oh! Are you seeing this, everyone? Wow. Wow, wow, wow. You want to get every little last bit, because that is the shit. Scrape off that burnt cheese. Nothing wrong with burnt cheese. Burnt cheese is just cheese. It's got a little character to it. That's good. Wow. Oh! There goes once. You got no cheese, you got no chili. No. You want to make sure it's evenly throughout saturated with cheese and the chili. So like I said before, we have Hormel chili, hot, and beans, with beans. That's what you want. This is the best chili you can get on the market nowadays. So I pour this on cold, and then I microwave it. That's how I do it. I feel like if you put this on cold, you microwave it for 3 minutes. It lets everything in that bowl just soak together, just get in each other, and all the flavors just burst into a big, delicious dish bowl. Chili cheese fries. Now, me personally, I'm gonna put some of my homegrown jalapenos on there just to tick it up to the fucking tippity tip of the spectrum. I don't know quite what else you would put on there. It doesn't really need anything else. Jalapenos, that's the only thing I would suggest. Don't have to, don't want to, don't need to, but I would. We're at 1:30 to launch off. Alright, everyone, look at this. So, it's done. This is it. You can see it smolder or not. This is what you want. All them flavors are just mixed in perfectly, just doused with all that chili, cheese, fries. It's all just intermingling. They're having a good time in that bowl. They're gonna fuck in my mouth. It's gonna be fucking good. Now the only thing I need to do is put these jalapenos in there. These are homegrown. These are jalapenos, habaneros, cayennes. I'm going to douse them on top. Splash them. Splish them. Oh, yes, yes. That's good enough for me. Now, here it is, everyone. Wow. This is chili cheese fries with jalapenos homegrown. Oh!